Greece. Home to some of the world's most important historical sites, along with some 6,000 islands, Greece is known for its natural beauty and fascinating culture. Ancient archaeological sites, cliffs tumbling into sparkling blue water, sand and pebble beaches, and a balmy Mediterranean climate make Greece one of Europe's prime tourist destinations. Besides the capital, Athens, top things to see on the mainland include ancient Delphi and the monasteries of Meteora. But most people come here to catch a ferry to the islands. Santorini, Mykonos, Zakynthos, Corfu, and Crete are the most popular. Plan your trip with our list of the top attractions in Greece. To list all of the places to visit in Greece would be impossible. This is a spectacular land of beauty with an endless variety of landscapes. From rugged snow-capped mountains and ancient ruins to turquoise waters and white sandy beaches, Greece can satisfy every traveler's needs. Along with the stunning Greek islands, some of the best places to visit in Greece are the country's amazing historical sites. Greece is the birthplace of democracy and also the cradle of Western civilization. With its mix of awe-inspiring beauty and history, Greece is most definitely one of the top destinations to visit. There are numerous places to visit and things to do in Greece to satisfy every type of traveler. Stunning Santorini is the most dramatic of all the Greek isles. It is best known for the west coast clifftop towns of Thera and Dia, which appear to hang over a deep, blue sea-filled caldera. Made up of typical cyclic whitewashed cubic buildings, many of which have been converted into boutique hotels with infinity pools, both Thera and Dia are considered romantic destinations, popular for weddings and honeymoons. Things to do in Santorini include sunbathing and swimming at the black volcanic sand beaches on the south and east coasts and visiting the archaeological site of Akrotiri, an ancient Minoan settlement buried below lava following the volcanic eruption that created the caldera, some 3,600 years ago. The island has an airport and is served by ferries and catamarans from Athens port, Piraeus.